Dar un abrazo.
To give a hug.
Dar un beso.
To give a kiss.
Dar las gracias.
To give thanks.
Dar la mano.
To shake hands.
Dar una vuelta.
To take a walk.
Dar un paseo.
To take a stroll.
Dar una fiesta.
To throw a party.
Dar miedo.
To be scary.
Dar asco.
To be disgusting.
Dar igual.
To not matter.
Me da igual.
I do not care.
Dar la razón.
To agree with someone.
Dar la bienvenida.
To welcome.
Darse cuenta.
To realize.
Darse prisa.
To hurry up.
Darse por vencido.
To give up.
Dar a conocer.
To make known.
Dar en el clavo.
To hit the nail on the head.
Dar luz verde.
To give the green light.
Dar la espalda.
To turn your back on.
Poner la mesa.
To set the table.
Poner atención.
To pay attention.
Poner en orden.
To put in order.
Poner música.
To play music.
Poner una película.
To put on a movie.
Poner el despertador.
To set the alarm.
Poner una excusa.
To make an excuse.
Poner en duda.
To call into question.
Poner de nervios.
To make nervous.
Poner de mal humor.
To put in a bad mood.
Ponerse rojo.
To turn red.
Ponerse triste.
To become sad.
Ponerse enfermo.
To get sick.
Ponerse de pie.
To stand up.
Ponerse de acuerdo.
To come to an agreement.
Ponerse al día.
To catch up.
Ponerse en contacto.
To get in touch.
Poner en práctica.
To put into practice.
Poner fin.
To put an end to.
Poner las cartas sobre la mesa.
To lay the cards on the table.